Imagine stepping into a world of unimaginable luxury, where every corner whispers the tales of opulence. Welcome to the grand tour of the most expensive house ever built, a mansion worth a staggering $1 billion. This architectural marvel is not just a house, it's a testament to design, innovation, and extravagant luxury. Situated in an exclusive location, this mansion is an embodiment of splendor. Every meticulously crafted interior and expansive exterior inch of this mansion breathes opulence. It's not merely about the vastness, but the intricate details that elevate it to extraordinary. The construction story of this mansion is an epic of ambition, artistic creativity, and exactitude. It involved the finest architects, the most skilled craftsmen, and the most innovative designers from around the residence that's not just a luxurious dwelling, but a symbol of prestige, a piece of art, and a wonder that sets a new standard in luxury living. As we journey further into this mansion, every corner, every room, and every amenity will leave you in sheer awe. Now, yourself, as we unveil the epitome of opulence and take you on an exclusive journey through this billion-dollar mansion. As you step through the grand entrance, you're embraced by the mansion's extravagant common areas. These spaces are a symphony of flawless artisanship and unmatched opulence. Here, the furniture isn't just furniture. It's unique, artisanal, a collection of pieces curated from the most skilled craftsmen worldwide. Each piece is selected not only for its pleasing aesthetic, but also for its comfort, ensuring an inviting and relaxing ambience. But these spaces aren't just about the physical. They also encompass the intangible. They're fitted with the latest technology that pervades every corner. From the automated climate control that maintains the ideal temperature all year round, to the intelligent lighting that adapts to your mood, every contemporary convenience is within arm's reach. And then there are the views. Each room is designed with an awe-inspiring panorama that serves as a breathtaking scenery. Be it the twinkling city lights after dusk or the serene allure of the neighboring landscapes during daylight, these lounges offer a continuous connection to the exterior world, reminding you of the mansion's location within a larger, picturesque context. Every nook and cranny of these lounges is designed to provide unparalleled luxury and comfort. It's a world where every detail is contemplated, every comfort is proffered, and every moment is an unforgettable experience, a testament to the art of living well. The mansion's extravagant amenities redefine luxury living. Picture yourself floating in the expansive infinity pool, hovering over the world with a panorama that appears to reach forever. It's simply a pool. It's an oasis of serenity, a retreat for relaxation. Next, plunge into the immersive movie experience brought to you by the in-home theater. It's not merely about viewing films, it's about being a part of. This cutting-edge facility elevates the entertainment bar, merging technology and coziness to create unforgettable moments. Then, venture into the exclusive gym. This isn't your run-of-the-mill workout area. The gym is kitted out with state-of-the-art fitness machinery, providing a private training sanctuary right at your threshold. It's about adopting a fit lifestyle without foregoing luxury. Lastly, descend into the wine cellar, a goldmine for wine enthusiasts. This temperature-regulated heaven homes a world-class assortment, a tribute to the finer things in existence. It's not just a cellar, it's a voyage through the wine universe. These take luxury and spin it on its head, offering a lifestyle that's truly one of a kind. The crown jewel of the mansion is its majestic master suite. This suite is more than just a room. It's an expansive sanctuary, larger than most city apartments. With the finest, most luxurious amenities, such as a king-size bed with lush, luxurious linens and a private spa-like bathroom with high-end fixtures, it's an epitome of extravagance and comfort. The breathtaking panoramic views offer a visual treat, which can be enjoyed from the comfort of the suite's secluded balcony. This master suite is a haven of luxury, offering the ultimate in comfort and privacy. It's the perfect retreat for relaxation and tranquility. This billion-dollar mansion is more than just a home. It's a testament to the pinnacle of luxury and architectural excellence. From the grand reveal to the lavish living spaces, from the extravagant amenities to the majestic master suite, every aspect of this mansion offers an unparalleled lifestyle. The unique selling points of this mansion go its breathtaking features. It's about the feeling of living in a world of unimaginable opulence. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the most expensive house ever built, a true epitome of luxury and opulence.